Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can jailbreak your iOS device, and this works for the latest iOS version. And as you guys can see, I have iOS version 12.2, which is currently the latest one, and it also works on previous versions as well as many iDevices. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how this works. And this is a very convenient website to jailbreak your iPhone, since you don't need to plug in cords to the computer or do anything complicated. All you have to do is hit a few buttons. So to get started, go ahead and hit Start Jailbreak. Alright, and now it's going to check your iDevice to make sure it's compatible for a jailbreak. And don't worry here, 95+% of devices will be able to be jailbroken, so it's more than likely that you'll be able to jailbreak your device. So we're just going to wait for this process to complete and wait for it to verify that we can actually jailbreak our device, and then we can proceed with that process. So right now it's just setting up my iDevice, and now it says done loading. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what to do here after it's done loading. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm that's my iOS version, which is 12.2, and now all I have to do is wait for this process. And what it's doing here is it's fetching my user data and it's creating the exploit to jailbreak my iPhone and extracting those jailbreak files such as Cydia to my phone. But before I can get Cydia and jailbreak my phone, I will have to verify I'm not a bot. And to do that, all I have to do is install 2 apps from this list and follow the instructions below each app I install. First app I chose was BetterNet VPN Proxy, and the instructions for this app told me to connect to the VPN. So I'm going to go ahead, open this app in the App Store, and get started so I can follow those instructions. But first, I'm going to make sure I install both apps, since you need 2 apps from the list to be installed. So the second app I chose from that list was Hotspot Shield VPN. Like I said, you need to install 2 apps from that list and follow the instructions below each app you install. So now I will wait for the installation of both apps to complete so I can start the instructions for the app. So the instructions were very simple for both of these VPN apps. All I have to do is connect to the VPN and just make sure I'm on the app for at least 30 seconds, which I'm going to do here. I'm just going to go ahead, hit install profile, and now it's going to allow me to connect to the VPN. And as you can see here, I've successfully established a connection to the VPN, and now I'm going to make sure I'm on the app for at least 30 seconds. And I'm going to make sure I'm doing human interactions on the app, because after all, this is verification that you are not a bot. So just make sure when you reach that 30-second timer, you're doing some human interactions by navigating through the menu. And once I'm done, I can go ahead and disconnect from the VPN. And now I'm on to the next app, and the next app is Hotspot Shield VPN, and the instructions for this app told me to connect to the VPN. So I'm going to go ahead, hit that connect button, and make sure I follow those instructions successfully. And as you can see here, I'm connecting, and boom, I'm successfully connected. And all I have to do now is just make sure I'm on the app for at least 30 seconds. And just like the first app, I'm going to go ahead, navigate through the menus, and just do human interactions just to verify that I'm not a bot. And just remember, when you're done with the VPN apps, you can go ahead and disconnect, and only disconnect after you've been on it for at least 30 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect from the VPN, and just like that, I've completed the verification. So all I need to do now is reboot my device. So I'm just going to go ahead and power it off, and then I can just go ahead and turn it on. And when you turn it on, all of those files it extracted on your phone will now be present, which includes the likes of Cydia. So you'll be able to have a full jailbroken device. And as you can see here, I turn on my phone and I now have Cydia. So I can go ahead, install some jailbroken apps on Cydia and do whatever I want and all of the capabilities a jailbroken iDevice has. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just make sure you go on iOS jailbreak.online and you follow all of the instructions on this video very carefully so you guys can go ahead and jailbreak your iDevice. Thank you guys for watching.